You see, most places have mice or mosquitoes. We have dragons. Most people would leave. Not us. We're Vikings. We have stubbornness issues. My name's Hiccup. Great name, I know, but it's not the worst. Parents believe a hideous name will frighten off gnomes and trolls. Like our charming Viking demeanor wouldn't do that.
Ah! Morning! What are you doing here?
Get inside! Get back inside!
Hiccup! What is he doing out again? What are you doing out? Get inside!
That's Stoick the Vast, chief of the tribe. They say that when he was a baby, he popped a dragon's head clean off of its shoulders. Do I believe it? Yes, I do.
What have we got? Grunkles, Nudders, Zipplebucks, oh, and Hork saw a monstrous nightmare.
Any night furies?
None so far.
Good.
Oh, nice of you to join the party. I thought you'd been carried off.
Well, who, me? No, come on, I'm way too muscular for their taste. They wouldn't know what to do with all this.
Well, they need toothpicks, don't they?
The meathead with attitude and interchangeable hands is Gobber. I've been his apprentice ever since I was little. Well, littler.
We move to the lower defenses. We'll counterattack with the catapults.
See? Old village, lots and lots of new houses.
Fire!
Oh, and that's Fish Legs, Snot Lout, the twins, Rough Nut and Tough Nut, and Astrid. Oh, their job is so much cooler. Oh, come on, let me out, please. I need to make my mark.
Oh, you made plenty of marks, all in the wrong places.
Please, 2 minutes. I'll kill a dragon. My life will get infinitely better. I might even get a date.
You can't lift a hammer, you can't swing an axe, you can't even throw one of these.
Okay, fine, but this will throw it for me.
Oh! See, now this right here is what I'm talking about.
But mild calibration issue.
No, Hiccup. If you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you need to stop all this.
But you just pointed to all of me.
Yes, that's it. Stop being all of you.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
You, sir, are playing a dangerous game. Keeping this much raw Vikingness contained. There will be consequences.
I'll take my chances. Sword sharpened now.
One day I'll get out there. Because killing a dragon is everything around here. A natterhead is sure to get me at least noticed. Gronkles are tough. Taking down one of those would definitely get me a girlfriend. A Zippleback? Exotic. 2 heads, twice the status.
They found the sheep!
Concentrate fire over the lower bank.
Hurry up! Fire!
And then there's the monstrous nightmare. Only the best Vikings go after those. They have this nasty habit of setting themselves on fire.
Reload! I'll take care of this.
But the ultimate prize is the dragon no one's ever seen. We call it the
Night Fury! Get down!
This thing never steals food, never shows itself, and never misses. No one has ever killed a Night Fury. That's why I'm gonna be the first.
Man the fort, Hiccup. They need me out there. Stay. Put. There. You know what I mean. Ah! Hiccup, where are you going? Come back here.
I know. Be right back.
Let's get up! Mind yourself! The devils still have some juice in them!
Come on. Give me some to shoot at. Give me something to shoot at.
Oh, I hit it? Yes, I hit it! Did anybody see that?
Except for you.